Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a wall hanging design with newspaper. First we need is a newspaper cut in this size and a glue for sticking. Let's take this newspaper and start rolling it. You have to make 6 numbers like these. You can roll it in any size. And now our 6 pieces are ready. Let's take this first piece and press it and make it flat, and take this glue's bottom and roll it. You can use any circular shape that you have in home. Like this. It will come out, so hold it for some time. And now our 6 rolls of the newspaper are turned like this. And now I'm going to show you a pattern like that you can keep and make your wall hanging design. Take the first 2 and keep it like this, and the second 2 like this, and one like this, and one on the top like this. This is our wall hanging design, and glue it like this. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel RaghavA DIYs. See you in the next video.